In this video, I'm quickly going to explain how to use anyone and anybody. The first thing we need to understand is that anyone and anybody mean the same thing. It doesn't matter which one you use, they have the same meaning. However, there is a very small difference. Anyone is just a little bit more formal than anybody. So in conversation, you're probably going to use anybody. But you might use anyone. And in writing, you're probably going to use anyone. But you might use anybody. It's just more likely that you will use anyone in writing or in a formal situation. And it's just more likely that you will use anybody in a conversation. But one is not right, one is not wrong. They're both correct. They're just a little bit different in how formal they are. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then, how do we use them? So when we use anyone or anybody in a positive sentence, a positive, yes, positive. When we use them in a positive sentence, it's usually to talk about possibility. Something is possible. Something can happen. So for example, anyone can learn English. Anyone really means everyone. But everyone focuses on the whole. Anyone is more about you, or you, or you. You can learn English. She can learn English. He can learn English. Yeah, anyone can learn English. It's possible for anybody. And again, you can say anybody, or you can say anyone. Another example. In that one, anyone was the subject, but it can also be the object. So, she is a great salesperson. She can sell a car to anybody. Means she can sell a car to me, she can sell a car to you, she can sell a car to him, she can sell a car to them, because she is a great salesperson. There's no one that she cannot sell a car to. She can sell a car to anybody. Okay, the next one is negative sentences. When we use anyone or anybody in negative sentences, it's to mean 0 people. For example, I didn't see anyone. That means I saw 0 people. Or, I don't want to talk to anyone right now because I'm very sad. Please leave me alone. I don't want to talk to anyone right now. I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to talk to her. I don't want to talk to my best friend. I don't want to talk to my mother. I don't want to talk to anyone. That means there are 0 people that I want to talk to. And again, you can use anyone or anybody. They mean the same thing. Finally, when we have a question, so here we're actually going to talk a little bit about somebody also. If you know the basic rules for questions with some and any, for example, would you like some pizza? Would you like any pizza? The basic rule is that we use some when we think that the answer is yes. If you look hungry, I might say, hey, you look hungry. Would you like some pizza? Because I think that you do. But if you don't look hungry, and I have no idea if you are hungry, I might just ask you, because I want to be polite, hey, would you like any pizza? I'm eating some pizza. I don't know if you want any, but would you like any pizza? I'm using any because I really don't have any idea if they are hungry or not hungry. So the same thing applies for anybody, anyone, somebody, someone. If we think that the answer is yes, we're probably going to use somebody or someone. If we have no idea, we will probably use anyone or anybody. So if I have a dog and my dog's name is Rufus and I feed Rufus, I give him food every evening, and right now it's time to feed him. This is his dinner time. But I have other family members, and sometimes they feed him. So I want to check if he has eaten dinner yet, because I have no idea. I would ask, has anyone fed Rufus? Have you given him food? Have you given him food? Have you given him food? Anyone? Oh, no. Okay. And we're using anyone because I don't know. But if Rufus looks like he is not very hungry, usually he has a lot of energy at this time. Usually he's in the kitchen waiting for his food. But right now, he's sleeping. And I think that's weird. He usually sleeps after he eats. But I haven't fed him. So I think that he has eaten. So I would ask, hey, has somebody fed Rufus? He's acting like he has already eaten. So in that situation, I think the answer is yes. I think he has eaten. So I would say, has somebody fed him? It looks like you have. But if we really don't know about if something has happened, we would use anyone. Has anyone fed Rufus? If not, I'm going to feed him now. So yeah, these are the different ways that we can use anyone or anybody.